Did you know the average person asks around 20 questions per day? But what if one question could change your life? Questions, those curious expressions of our thoughts, possess a unique power. They spark conversations, fuel discoveries, and can even lead to life-changing revelations. They're the backbone of our daily interactions, a testament to our innate inquisitiveness. So what if we stumble upon a question so potent it could potentially shift the course of our existence? Stick around to discover facts that could potentially alter your life. Ever wondered how much your brain can process in a second? It's approximately 11 million bits of information. Staggering, isn't it? That's more than twice the number of stars you can see in a clear night sky. Speaking of stars, did you know that there are more connections in your brain than there are stars in the Milky Way? Yes, indeed. The human brain has an estimated 100 trillion connections. That's a number so large, it's almost impossible to fathom. But let's talk about something a bit closer to home. Your heart. It's a small organ, but it's got a huge job. Every day, your heart pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood, enough to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in just 45 days. And your capabilities? They're boundless. The human body can heal a broken bone without a cast, and the liver can regenerate itself from as little as 25% of its tissue. Now let's take a leap to the future. Did you know that it's predicted that by the year 2050, humans will be able to print out complex organs like hearts and kidneys using 3D printers? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Let's dive deeper. Did you know laughter can increase your blood flow by 20%? Now that's a reason to crack a joke. And speaking of laughter, it's contagious. It's scientifically proven that our brains respond to the sound of laughter by preparing our facial muscles to join in. Let's switch gears a bit. Ever wondered why old books have a distinct smell? It's because they release volatile organic compounds, creating an aroma that's a mix of grass, vanilla, and almond. Now, let's talk about sleep. Did you know that you can't sneeze while sleeping? The brain shuts down the reflex. And if you're a light sleeper, you're not alone. Half of the dolphin's brain stays awake while sleeping. It's a survival mechanism to prevent drowning. Here's a social fact. People are more likely to return a lost wallet if it contains a picture of a baby. It's the cuteness effect at work, triggering empathy and care. Isn't it fascinating how small facts can make a big difference? But we are not done yet. Before we reveal our final astonishing fact, remember, knowledge grows when shared. Just imagine the impact you could make by simply clicking the like button, sharing this video, or leaving a comment. By subscribing, you're not just keeping yourself informed, you're also contributing to a broader community of knowledge seekers. Every interaction, every shared fact sparks a conversation, a new perspective, and who knows, maybe even a life-changing discovery. Our final fact for today: did you know that just by subscribing and sharing this video, you could potentially change someone's life? So, what are you waiting for? Start the ripple effect of change today.